Welcome to Crash Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today we're making a coffee crusted cowboy ribeye. So we're going to start with our dry rub. First thing we need is 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. I'll be using Killer Hogs products today. We've got TX brisket rub, your AP seasoning, and some hot rub. I want the coarse salt and pepper from the TX rub, tablespoon of that. Then I want the salt, pepper, garlic that's in the AP seasoning. You don't have to use both, you just double up on one or the other. I just like the finer granules in the AP seasoning with the garlic and stuff. Now for the hot rub, you're not gonna want much. We were 2 tablespoons of the coffee, a tablespoon of each of these, and then we're just gonna do like a little bit of a teaspoon. The sugar in that rub and a little bit of the heat from that is gonna help balance out the coffee flavor, because it is an earthy, bitter flavor. And we're not playing around today. We got some nice 1-inch thick cut ribeyes. This one's got a good spinalis on it, which is this outer muscle right here. That is the most flavorful cut of meat on a steak. Sprinkle this on. You can use a binder if you want, like Worcestershire or something like that. I don't think it needs it. They're tacky enough just out of the packaging. Season from up high, get a more even coating. Give it a little slight press in, and then we'll do the edges. You don't have to worry about the edges too much on a thinner steak, but on this thick ass steak, you're gonna want it. So you can put this in the fridge overnight. You need at least a couple hours. All the moisture is gonna pull to the surface and then go back in. It's gonna tack up the rub, and then we can cook it. So I'll see you in a couple hours. We're gonna make a Pico de Gallo to go with the steaks. It's excellent, it's fresh. It'll go perfect with these steaks. So I take a couple Roma tomatoes. Don't need the inside. And you're gonna cube them up. All right, so a nice dice on those. Take half of an onion. I'm only gonna use half a jalapeno. My kids are gonna be eating this and I don't want them to get mad. I do a fine dice on these. Half a jalapeno, some cilantro, some lime juice from half a lime. Now here's a trick. Nobody likes peeling garlic. Instead of mincing the garlic in here, I'm going to just put it through a garlic press, and you don't even have to peel the skin off. And now we're going to add a little bit of TX brisket rub just for a little salt and pepper. Just a touch. Always making a damn mess. We're going to put this in the fridge, let it cool down, let all the flavors mix together. We're going to fire up the Weber. By then our steaks will be up to temp. This will be cooled down. got a beautiful crust in these steaks. Let's slice them, see how we did. Slide that one out of the way. Nice, perfect medium. That's what I was shooting for. Now let's top it with some of our Pico de Gallo. That looks unreal. All right, let's try it. I think the best move here is to get one, take it, take the pile. And just do like a foldy type deal. It's crazy, you don't taste the coffee at all. It just gives it a nice earthiness, the saltiness from the rubs that we put on there. The Pico de Gallo, the acidity in there, the freshness, helps cut right through the fatty ribeye. It is so good. I mean, I like to do medium on the ribeye because I like to get the connective tissue to all break down and the fat, you know. I want the fat to render and stuff like that. Man, it's good. That's our video for today. Try the recipe out, let me know what you think. You can use it on any type of steak. The Pico de Gallo adds so much to it. If anything you take away the video is just how to make Pico de Gallo. It's pretty simple and it's excellent on anything. You can just eat it with chips, it's that good. All right, check out past videos. I'll have links in the description for all the how to barbecue right seasonings, cutting boards, stuff like that. See ya, it's dinner time. So damn good.